In Clark County, we all produce trash, a lot of trash, and it goes directly to the landfill to be buried there forever. It sits there for hundreds and hundreds of years, basically forever. Each week in Clark County, we ship 210 semi-truck containers stuffed full of trash, or 10.4 million pounds, by barge and tugboat up the Columbia River, 165 miles all the way to Boardman, Oregon. The average person throws away 4.4 pounds of trash each day. How can we change this? What can you do in your school to reduce this? All throughout your school, there are containers to recycle paper, bottles, and cans. When you put them in the recycle bin, they'll be made into something new. That's one way to reduce the amount of trash you produce. Where's another place we can reduce waste in schools? In the cafeteria. Lunchtime. Hi, I'm Emily from Mill Plain Elementary, and I'm going to show you how to reduce trash. This is the right lunch because this you don't have to throw away any trash. It's all just in a little container so you don't have to dispose any trash. You could bring a packed lunch like this and you'll have lots of waste. Look at this. Chip bag, plastic spoon. Look at all this waste. This is another example of the first one. You don't have to throw away anything, so it's just a perfect little lunch. Many schools throughout Clark County offer waste sorting in the cafeterias so you can recycle and compost food scraps.
This is where forks, spoons, and knives go. This is where liquid would go if you had liquid in your milk. And this is where your milk carton goes. This is where your leftover food would go. And then you'd go back to this one and put your trash and garbage in there. And get any leftovers and put your tray right there.
What if I don't compost my food? Where does it go? What happens to food when it goes to the landfills and gets buried?
If your apple core goes into the landfill, it will make methane gas, and that's a problem. It creates climate change. It's 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide.
What is compost? Compost is the best thing for growing more plants. It's better than fertilizer, and plants love it. So instead of food going into landfills and taking up space and creating methane gas, it gives new plants the best start and helps grow more food.
So do your part to keep the planet green. Clark County Green Schools is here to help.